Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to draft a basic sleeves pattern, and these things we require for drafting a pattern. Is a great advantage to create a pattern and leave it so next time when you are going to make your dress, so you can use the same pattern. So that's what we are going to do today. We will take a measurement, and then from this measurement I will show you how to draft a pattern. So you require pattern paper. You can take any pattern paper, or this pattern paper roll I bought from Amazon. I will be adding links for all these things I'm using, so you can if you want to use these links, you can use and buy from Amazon. So this is a pattern paper, measuring tape, scissor, French curve ruler. If you do not have a French curve ruler, and if you are good by hand drawing, it's still fine. So first of all, I'm going to explain you on this drawing, and excuse my drawing, this looks funny hand, but it will serve the purpose. So this is our basically shoulder, the shoulder area. And when you take your measuring tape, put it all around, then this is called armhole. This area is armhole area. And from armhole, we need one measurement of armhole. For example, my armhole measurement is 17 inches. Then we will divide it by 2. And then from armhole, we need our upper arm measurement. Upper arm is called bicep. So from the shoulder mark, we are going down about 5 inches. This area is our bicep area. Upper arm is the biggest part of our arm. So we will be taking this measurement. So whatever the measurement is, we will be dividing it by 4. For example, our arm bicep is 15 inches. We will be dividing it by 2. And then we will be adding extra seam allowance, and we require another third measurement. This is our elbow, where our arm is bending. So if we, for example, if you want a short sleeve, so that's say we just need armhole measurement and bicep measurement, and third measurement where your sleeve could be. So if you want a short sleeve, it could be here or wherever you want your sleeves to be. You require total length. So for short sleeves, you require armhole, total armhole all around, bicep all around, and total length. However, if you want 3/4 of sleeves, which I am going to make, you need elbow measurement. So use your measuring tape all around your elbow and measure. And for example, it is 12 inches. And then we will be dividing it by 2 again, because paper we are using or fabric we are using is folded. And I'm making another measurement. I'm making 3/4 of sleeve. So I will be measuring total length, for example, up to here, where I want my sleeve to sit. So I want this length. So I want total length where I want my sleeve. And if you want full sleeves, then you need measurement from shoulder to your wrist, and you need a measurement all around your wrist as well. And for example, it is 9 all around. Then we will be dividing it by 2, and we will adding extra seam allowance. So these measurements we require: armhole, bicep measurement, and total length. Total length, whichever size you want. You want 3/4 sleeves or full sleeves. Full sleeves, if you want, you need a wrist, around wrist measurement. If you want 3/4 sleeve, you need this area where you want your sleeves to be. For example, 3/4 sleeves are coming over here. That is in between your arm is called forearm. So you need this measurement all around. And then we will be adding extra seam allowance. So these measurements we require, and we are going to transfer them on paper now. So now we are going to transfer all our measurements on this piece of paper. So these This paper has squares on small marks, and it really helps to cut straight line. So our paper looks like this. One end is folded, one side is folded, and these two sides are open. So your fabric will be looking exactly like this. So first of all, we will decide how much total length we want. We can mark. I want 3/4 sleeves, so I want 17 inches total length. So I will be marking, this is my total length. And now next thing, we will be marking our shoulder total armhole width, and total armhole width I took 17 inches. So all around my armhole is 17 inches. And then, as I mentioned before, we will be adding 1.5 inches extra. So 17, 1.5 inches, 18 and a half. Now fold this measuring tape and then mark it wherever it is coming. And this extra length we took for stitch allowance. I will be marking here. So this is our stitch allowance plus total armhole area. And next thing we have to do, bicep measurement. And bicep measurement I mentioned from the shoulder down 5 inches. That area will be our bicep area. Bicep is biggest area of our arm. Upper part of our arm is called bicep. And take a measurement all around your bicep. So that will be your bicep measurement. For example, I took my bicep measurement. It is 12 inches. So 12 plus 1.5 inches, it will be 13.5. And then mark that area. So you can mark on this line. So we have 2 lines up to now. And then this one is, because I'm making 3/4 of sleeves, I am marking here as well. So we have these 3 markings. And then you can take elbow measurement. My elbow length is from shoulder down 11 inches. So we can mark here as well. So this is our elbow area. Right. So first of all, now we have to create a curve for our sleeve. That is a important part. So for going about the height of our cap, height of our sleeves cap, we will be taking 4 inches. From the middle 4 inches. That is the height of our sleeve cap. So 4 inches we marked here. And this is our bicep measurement. And what we'll do, this one, we will make half of it. Half of it. Wherever is coming half, mark. Right? So here our curve will start. Take your French curve ruler, or if you are good at drawing curve, you can do so. So mark, measure, make one curve here in this manner. We will draw one curve like this, and then we'll turn our French curve in a different direction, and then we will make sure the curve is matching, and then we will make another curve like this. So basically our curve is going like this. This is our cap sleeve, sleeves cap height, 4 inches. We marked here, and then now we are able to make this curve. So you can use I think this curve, I can be little more precise. But this one just match this sleeve curve, right? And now I will be taking simply my French curve ruler, curved part, and the base we will be using base of my forearm where I want my sleeve is 9 inches. 9 plus stitching allowance, it will be 10 and 10.5. So I will be marking here 10.5. That is the stitching allowance we added as well. And now I will be start drawing this area. So this is how our sleeves look like, and then we will cut it. And make sure you always use paper scissor for cutting patterns. Otherwise, your fabric, a scissor for cutting fabric, it won't be very sharp. You can see a really nice curve. Now we have both side, back and front of the sleeves are same. So front is always little deeper. So we will write back and front. So for the front, I will make another curve using my French curve ruler. And this line we have for our upper arm, and then I will keep this one here, match these markings, and I will make a little deeper. It's about 1 centimeter deep. Front side of our sleeve. So this is our front, about 1 centimeter deep curve I made. And make sure you do not cut both sides of sleeves. Here we go. So this is our front and this is our back. So when you write it down, so you know that which is a front part and where you have to attach your sleeves. So this is our sleeve is ready. So this is how we draft our pattern. Try them at home, and I would love to hear your comments, and I will see you all in my another video. Bye.